vibe, yeah, it's a vibe.
Hi guys, so today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you an easy way how I install my wigs. Really easy for beginners as well. So this is the wig that I have with me today, and it's from Premium Lace Wig. When I purchased it, it was 12-inch, but then I cut it into an 8-inch, and the texture hair is a deep curly hair. With everything I'll be doing, I'll be just showing you how I personally put on my wigs. I'm not a professional. I just basically like teach myself by watching a lot of YouTube videos. Yeah, because I just like to teach myself new things. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do. So it's basically, I like to measure everything. I mean, I already worn it. And it's maybe like a year or so now I have it, since I have it now. So I basically just install everything from the back. It has the clip-ons in each section. Since okay, so it's tight. I already added just a little tad bit of my powder foundation underneath the lace. So the only thing I have to do is now just like add what I have to add. And now I'll be using the Glamorous Hair. Let me see, this is the Glamorous Hair. It's like a bowl hole, but it's from a friend of mine's who owns an a wig. And this is it. Super cute, right? I'll leave everything down below, so if you're interested of. She has bundles, she has lashes, she has this. It comes in a set with the glue and the lace remover spray. So yeah, I'm not doing nothing much, and I'm not keeping the hair that long. I just only doing this for the purpose of the video, so I'm just showing you guys what I naturally do with mine. So I'm gonna just. Just use my little fan. And with the glue, it shows you it shows you how to use it basically. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some water and conditioner and style the hair. But before I do that, I will tie it down just to keep it in place. But before I do that as well, I'll be using my got to be blasting spray. This is the bomb. And just like, since I don't want to put glue all over, I'll just like spray from the section that I know that needs here. But before I do all of that, I add my my equipment gel. And my toothbrush. That's it. So usually have a brush to detangle the hair. I just can't find it. So I'm just using the outer part of the brush. If you guys see me watching this side too, I have a mirror right there and there. So I could just like watch this side. This Kinky Curly curling cream. It looks like this. It's really like jelly. What I like about it, it doesn't leave any like white stuff. You know some product it tends to like leave really white after matting. I don't like that. It's not sticky. It just makes the hair really, really curly. this hair that you can pat it anyhow and really as far as you want. So this is basically how I install my wig. I still wanna, like, you know, educate myself more to do these type of things. Yeah, this is how basically it looks. So I'm gonna educate you guys on this hair. Like I said, it was a 12-inch before, then I cut it into an 8-inch. I was really feeling the bob look. And then after the lace of the wig is medium brown, you can choose which type of lace color you want. That's what I love about them. What else? You can get it right now. I think you could get it right now for for $45, if I'm not mistaken. I think so, because there was a price. There was on sale basically when I ordered the hair, and it's still on sale. And then I believe this unit is the most popular unit, you can say, because a lot of people purchase it, such as myself. And I really love this hair. I even, to the point that I even ordered one for my mom, because she was like, "Oh girl, you need to order one for me." So I was like, okay. And what else? The hair density is 130%. I don't have any, like, you know, reason to even, like, straighten it because I love it so much. Yeah, that's all I can think about with this hair. I will leave everything down below so you can, if you're interested in purchasing it. I know it's not sponsored or anything. I bought it with my own money, and yeah, I just give you my honest, true review on this wig. And would I order from them again? Absolutely. Since this is maybe my 3rd or 5th time installing this wig, I haven't had any sheddings whatsoever. The hair is really soft. It's really easy to manage. If you're the type of young woman, girl, whatever the case is, you just want something easy to do, get you this wig. Okay, you could clearly see it looks natural. Maybe this is the way how I did it, how I custom made and everything. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you tell a friend, you share the video. Yeah, and if you have any more questions about this wig, let me know down in the comments down below. Make sure you hit that bell as well too when you subscribe to my channel. And if you guys like me doing these type of videos, please leave it down below. Let me know what type of videos you're interested in me doing, other than makeup and covers. And also, please guys, subscribe to my other channel, my vlog channel. I will be trying to vlog the day of the life of Ashley Hodge. Basically, you know, this vibrant teen, like this, I want to say teen, vibrant young woman living in the Caribbean, you know, just see certain things about me. Yeah, just make sure to just subscribe to my other channel as well too, even this one too. And I hope you guys have a blessed and productive and safe day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video.